Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. And in this video, I'm going to cover the Mr. Coffee Iced Plus Hot. Alright, the Mr. Coffee Iced Plus Hot. This was another Amazon purchase. I paid $39.99 for it. And that time of recording price is early April of 2024. And we're going to get straight into it, like I always do on this channel. I'm just going to show a demo. First I'll make a cup of iced coffee, then we'll check out the hot feature. But first I want to show what it comes with, because it does come with a decent amount of stuff. First, let's flip the lid. Show you guys the inside. Have the water spout that swings back and forth. The removable, reusable filter basket. And this comes out as well. I guess for easy cleaning. And all the way in the back is the water reservoir. I don't know how well you can make out those numbers, but you have 6, 8, 12, and 16 ounces. So anywhere from 6 to 16 ounces. It also comes with this tumbler. Got the lid and a straw as well. Pretty neat. And at the base of the unit is the drip plate. That removes, this is metal too, not plastic. Usually they're made out of plastic, but this is plastic. I'm going to spin this around to show you the side of the unit where you have the measuring scoop. It's actually 2 scoops, 2 in 1. One for measuring iced coffee and one for when you're measuring hot coffee. You also have the measurements as well. I'm going to put this back because there's one more thing I want to show. And that is, it also comes with this filter. This little disc filter. Now all this is going to do is help improve the flavor. It's going to basically take out the chlorine or any other impurity. It's not going to filter all impurities out. It's not meant for that. But real quickly, it's optional. And what you do is just take this disc. Comes with this as well. This holder, slide it in, and you just place it on top of the brew basket like so. And that's just going to filter, help filter out the chlorine, help improve the taste. I use filtered water, so I'm not going to use that for this demo. But I just wanted to show that. I almost forgot to give dimensions. It's approximately 13 inches high. 9 1/4 inches deep. And what was the width? I forgot the width. The width was about 4.5 inches, maybe 4 3/4. I mean, this is all approximate, just to give you guys an idea. Time to make a cup of coffee. We're going to start with iced. I'm going to put in approximately 12 ounces of water and filling it right up to that water line. I'm going to go ahead and put some ice in this cup, up to that ice line. I think that's good enough. It's a whole tray of ice, by the way, to fill that whole cup. And for the 12 ounces, I'm going to do 2 scoops. 1.5 should do it, but I like my coffee a little on the stronger side, so I'm going to do 2 scoops of a medium grind. That's the grind texture I'm using. Like a medium grind. Let's plug it in. Close the lid, and I'm going to select over ice. And we're going to time it. I'm going to time the 12 ounces. Alright, it's just about finished. And that took, for the 12 ounces, 3.5 minutes. I don't know, it looks a little weak. That is a light roast. Let's see. I'm going to put in, I don't have half and half, so I'm just going to put in a little milk. Just so everyone gets an idea of strength. Actually, that looks pretty good. I don't know, let's see. Let's see. No, that's good. I didn't test this. This is like my first time using this. I used the Mr. Coffee iced, like just the one that just makes iced coffee, not iced and hot. It came out the same. Although I'm using a lighter roast. But that's good, that'll work. Let me show this. This is what I used. But that's pretty good. Now we're gonna try, I'm gonna try making a cup of hot coffee. It's a couple of days later, I'm testing the hot feature now. This is gonna be the second attempt. First one came out a little strong. I don't know about those measurements, but we'll get into that in a second. And I did 1.5 scoops. So, I'm just gonna, I don't know if I showed this. You have buttons for brew over ice, and hot brew. So, we'll select that. Also going to time it. And while that works, explaining this real quick, I had to make mention. The small scoop, that's going to give you approximately 3 tablespoons. And the large scoop for iced coffee, that's approximately 5 tablespoons. When I first did this, I did closer to 2 because I like my coffee on the strong side. And I realized I was putting too much grounds. That's like almost like 5 to 6 tablespoons of grounds. Right, that's just about finished up. And that took pretty close to the iced coffee. 3 minutes, 20 seconds. Almost 161. 161, we got it. Cool. Yeah, you tend, as I was saying, you tend to use more coffee grounds. Normally I would use like 2 tablespoons for a cup this size. This was closer to 3.5 tablespoons. So, just wanted to make that note. And when you use the smaller cup for the hot coffee, it tends to splash a little bit. You know, you get some coffee on the table, so just be aware of that. Yeah, you see, it's a little stronger. I mean, look, I'm going to go by what it says. So, because if you look carefully on here, it says for hot coffee, 12 ounces, 1.5 scoops. And when I measured that, that's 3 tablespoons, all the way up to the top, like a level scoop. So you might want to use less if you don't like strong, although you could tell that's really dark. Let's see. Yeah, that's strong. And I would use like maybe 1 scoop. I wouldn't put the half for the 12-ounce cup. But that's going to be the video, guys, of the Mr. Coffee iced plus hot single serve coffee maker. Hope this video was helpful for anyone who's interested in getting this unit or just comparing it to something else. As always, let me know what you think in the comments below. I love reading the feedback. Please like the video. Please subscribe. That is helping the channel grow. It really is. And I will see you in my next one.